Hey, man, check it out. There's a new book on the market, man. It's Beowulf. Yeah, man. Look at that. Beowulf, Beowulf, Beowulf. Yeah, man, in this book, they got everything, man. They got killing. They got murders. They got, what else they got, man? What they got, man?
They got lots of stuff, man.
Yeah, they got all you can want.
caves and monsters.
Yeah, man. And they got no women either, man. Just a guy film,
No.
man. Oh, yeah, man. So you should buy this book, man. It's only $5.99 now. You can get this at Walmart. You can get this at Kmart doesn't exist no more, man. Oh, you can get this at the Circle K. You can get this at the Quickie Mart, man. It don't matter where you go. Ain't that right, man?
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh.
Get the Beowulf book right now, man. Go. $5.99. Go.
Oh, I like these babies. Get them off belly.
Yeah, man. They like these babies.